Hello. If your grown child has moved back home and your guest bathroom suddenly looks like a teenager locker room again, this is why it's not staying organized and how to fix it in a way that actually lasts. Now, here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. Bathrooms don't stay organized because the systems are too complicated. There's too many bins, too many categories, too many steps to put things away. And if you are sharing a bathroom with an adult child or anyone with ADHD, if it's not easy, it is not happening. Now, today we're going to show you how to reset this bathroom into 3 simple zones: daily use, backups, which is extra supplies, grab and go storage. Nothing fancy, just something that actually works. Now, this is where most bathrooms go wrong. People try to make this pretty instead of functional. Now, my bathroom is pretty, but function works over visual. Now, what to remove before you start the organizing process? Get rid of expired products, half-used bottles no one touches anymore. I'm not talking about half used just because it's half used, but if no one uses it, it's just going to sit there. Way too many backup items. I mean, you only need 1 or 2 extra new items to replace the one that you're using now. So you don't need 10 deodorants. Although I have had clients that have 10 deodorants and they do switch out every day because they are afraid it's not going to be effective anymore. So if that is you, I don't know what to say. But you don't need 10 deodorants. Just keep 1 to 2 extras. And if you want to swap them out, just take 3 different ones to switch out. How to set it up. Use open bins, no lids, because nobody's doing that. Nobody's going to pick up a lid. Label them clearly. Towels, so toothpaste, cleaning. Now, put the most used backups at eye level. Top shelf, towels, bottom, cleaning supplies. Now, what I've done in mine yesterday, I have a basket for guest towels on the very top shelf with extra shampoos and some feminine products because no one in our house uses those. Those are just in case someone comes over that needs them. The next shelf is my son's. In your case, it would be whoever lives, whatever adult lives in your home, his basket of towels, and then his travel items in the back, because he only needs them when he travels. And I forgot what else, but the picture is on the cover of this video, and I will add the pictures at the end if I don't remember certain things. The next shelf is 3 Lazy Susans, 1 for face, 1 is for body, and 1 is for hair products. Those are the 3. And then from those 3, if there's extras that are exactly like the ones in the Lazy Susans, then those extras are in the back, easy to grab and replace. Then what do I have next? Oh, the next is just for general all-purpose use. I have air fresheners, pain relief, just general all-purpose things. Extra toothpaste is in that bin as well. And that's how I have it. Now, at the very bottom on the floor is the dirty clothes hamper and a basket full of toilet paper. So it's easy to get to. And then the very, very back is just going to be the plunger in case there's a need for the toilet paper. For the toilet plunger. We haven't used it in years, but it's there just in case because you never know. Next to my toilet is the cleaning products for the toilet because I want it very convenient for my son to clean the toilet and the bathtub. But then under his side of the sink, because I do left side is his items, right side is guest items because it's a double sink. So under his sink, are more cleaning supplies if needed, and a tall basket with blow dryers and water spray bottle. Any hair products that he wants in there will go in there. You just take that basket, put it on the countertop, do your hair, put the products back in that basket, and put it under the sink. And then he has some film developing stuff in the middle between the sinks under the cabinet. And then I have two guest pillows until I figure out what I'm going to do with those two guest pillows because I don't have room anywhere else. And I have just the Swiffer items and dog items, pet items and Swiffer items. And that I don't have a picture of, but I will put the other pictures in at the end of this video. All right. So the key rule, if it doesn't fit in the bin, it doesn't stay. If it doesn't fit in that closet, if it doesn't fit under the sink, if all the storage areas are too full, then it doesn't stay in the bathroom. Just something has to go. Now, we only have one drawer for toothpaste and the daily items. He has a Lazy Susan for his colognes and just the stuff that he uses on a daily hand soap, mouthwash, and the colognes, some hair stuff. And in this drawer is the toothpaste, the whisker, shaving, all those daily grooming items are in that one drawer. The drawer should feel almost empty. If it's packed, it's already failing. What to keep? Only your daily items, which is what we did. Toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, hairbrush, which could also be kept in the other basket but he doesn't use the blow dryer every day, so that's is separate. His razor, deodorant, and one hair product. And I think that hair product is on the Lazy Susan because that's one he uses almost every day. And that's it. What to remove are no backups should be in that drawer, no just in case items in that drawer, no clutter, and none of that on the countertop either. Set up, use a simple tray or divider. Each item gets one spot. No overthinking it. Key rule, if you use it every day, it stays. If not, it needs to be need to let it go, or it needs to be put in the under the sink area or the back closet area. So now under the double sink, this space needs to be divided clearly, not organized by category, categorized by behavior. Now, we create zones. Left side, your adult child's items. Right side is guest items, shared or extra. Backup or center, cleaning supplies. Use open bins again. The grooming bin. You could also put the clippers, razors, anything that you need to pick the basket up, use, and then put the basket away. And it's a tall basket with a handle, so you don't have to completely bend over and pick it up. You just grab it, take it out, and use it on the countertop. No stacking, no lids. Again, this is not about perfection. This is about, can he or she grab it fast? Can it be thrown back fast? That's why it's one big basket for all the hair products under the sink, tall with a big handle. So if yes, then it works. So this is where most systems fail, is the maintenance. Not in setup, but in upkeep. Rule number 1, 30-second reset. Before leaving the bathroom, put things back. A quick reset. That's why all hair products in one basket. 2, weekly 2-minute reset. Toss trash. The 2-minute recess is, tossing the weekly, putting things back if you did leave it out, and done. Now, number 3, visibility wins. If you can't see it, it won't be used. Rule 4, limits. Each bin is the limit, no overflow. All right. If you have too much stuffed into a bathroom, then you can't see what you use. You can't use what you use. You can't find what you use. You don't need a perfect bathroom. You need one that works for the people actually using it, especially when life changes and kids move back home. Simple systems are the only systems that last. All right, so hopefully I have made it simple for my adult child that moved back. And hopefully with this video, you can do the same. So if you want help setting up systems like this in your home, in person or virtually, reach out to me at Fullerton's Professional Organizing. And if this helped you, share it with someone who's an empty nester or tired of resetting the same bathroom over and over again. Follow for more real life organizing that actually works. All right, and we will see you on the next video. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my other me on Facebook and Instagram. On Instagram, it's Fullerton's Pro Organizing. All right, see you later.